So today we'll start the exercise 9.2 of NCERT. Okay, the first question that we're going to do is we have to find out the sum. मतलब we have to find out SN. Okay, where of odd integers from 1 to 2001. Okay, it means the integers will be 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, up to 2001. Here the first term is 1. The difference, common difference is 3 minus 1, yeah, 5 minus 3, that is 2. Okay, and an, the nth term we are having, that is 2001. Okay, 2001, and this is the last term. So we'll consider there are n terms and the number of terms we don't know. So first of all we'll find out the number of terms. So an is equal to, we know that a plus n minus 1 into d. Now an का value we know, that is 2001, and a is equal to 1, n minus 1 into d. D का value is 2. So it will be 1 plus 2n minus 2. Okay, that is equal to 2n minus 1. Now 2001 is equal to 2n minus 1. It means 2002 will be equal to 2n. Okay, then ये cancel करेंगे, will get 1001. So n will be equal to 1001. So how many terms are there? 1001 terms are there. Now we got the number of terms. Now we can find out sum. So Sn matlab we have to find out Sn, and we know the formula n upon 2. Here we know the terms, first and last terms we are having, so we can use this formula a plus an, nth term. So Sn will be equal to n upon 2. N is 1001 upon 2. A is 1 and an is 2001. Okay? So it will be 1001 upon 2 multiplied by 2002. So it will be 2002. हम cancel करेंगे, we'll get 1001. So 1001 का square will be 1002001. ठीक है? So this will be the sum of n terms. Now we'll move to the question number 2. In next question, what we have to find out? We have to find out the sum of all the natural numbers that are lying between 100 and 1000. Okay, so all the even numbers, all the natural numbers lying between 100 and 1000 and are multiples of 5. Okay, so between this and this, it means these both are excluded. So इसके बाद जो होगा, that is multiple of 5 will be 105, and इसके पहले जो होगा, that multiple of 5 will be 995, right? So between 100 and 1000 पूछे, so will not take 100 as the first term and will not take 1000 as the last term. Will take इसके बीच का term. So that is 105 will be the first term and 995 will be the last term. Okay, so it will be 110, and again we don't know the number of terms. So A is equal to 105, D is equal to 5 because difference will be 5, and nth term will be 995. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the number of terms. I mean, n we have to find out. So again we'll use the same formula. an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Okay, so an का value we know, that is 995, and a का value is 105. Okay, and plus n minus 1 n minus 1 d का value is 5. So we can write 105 plus 5 and minus 5 we can write. अब ये minus 5 हम कर देंगे, we'll get this will be 100 plus 5n हो जाएगा. Now 995 minus 100 will be equal to 5n. It means 5n will be equal to 995 minus 100, this will be 895. So when we'll divide this, 5 by 895 by 5, we'll get 179. Okay, it means n is equal to 179. So how many terms are there? 179 terms are there. Now we have to find out Sn, sum of nth term. As we know that the formula, by the formula n upon 2, first term plus nth term, last term. Okay, we'll use this formula. Why? Because we know the first term and last term. So Sn will be equal to n upon n, that is 179 upon 2 multiplied by A. A is 105 and An is 995. Okay, so 105 into plus 995 will be 179 upon 2 multiplied by, this will be 1100, right? And divide kar denge, we'll get 550. Now 550 into 179 will be 98450. Okay, 98,450. So Sn, sum of all the numbers from 100 and lies between 100 and 1000 which are multiples of 5. The sum of all the numbers will be equal to 98450. Okay? After that, we'll move to the next question, question number 3. क्या है question? If in an AP the first term is given. Okay, so in an AP the first term is 2, A is equal to 2, and the sum of first 5 terms, मतलब S5 5 terms का equal to 1/4 of next 5 terms. तो 1/4 ऑफ नेक्स्ट 5 टर्म्स, तो नेक्स्ट 5 टर्म्स मतलब S6 से लेकर S10 तक. तो हाउ वी कैन राइट, कैन वी राइट S10 माइनस S5, because next 5 term is 6, A6, A7, A8 will be equal. उसके लिए तो we can't write S10. S10 मतलब first term से लेकर 10th term. तो first term से 10th term minus S5 will be equal to next 5 terms. Okay, so we can write like this. Now we'll solve this. What value we are getting? 4S5 will be equal to S10 minus S5. ठीक है, ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. Now S5 यहाँ है, we'll keep this side. 4S5 plus S5 will be equal to S10. Then 5S5 will be equal to S10. ये होगा. This is 5. Not S. 5S5 will be equal to S10. Okay. Now what we have to do? अभी हम values निकालते हैं. First of all, we are having A का value. So first जो S5 will be equal to n upon 2. Okay, Sn, first of all we'll write the common formula, that is Sn will be equal to n upon 2, and here we don't know the last term, so we can use this formula 2a plus n minus 1 into d. ठीक है, so it will be, so S5 will be equal to 5 upon 2 into 2a. 2 into a का value is 2 and plus n minus 1 d. तो n is 4, तो n minus 1 will be, sorry, n is 5, so n minus 1 will be 4, तो 4d. ठीक है, and S10 का वैल्यू क्या होगा? S10 का वैल्यू will be 10 upon 2, n upon 2 and 2 into first term plus n minus 1, तो 10 minus 1 will be 9d. Okay, now we'll put the value of S5 and S10 in this formula. Okay, so it will be equal to, can we solve this? और भी better हम solve कर सकते हैं. We can find the value, I mean 5 into 4 upon 2 plus 5 into 4d upon 2, ऐसे कर सकते हैं ना. So it will be 2, this will also be 2, so S5 will be equal to 10 plus 10d. ठीक है, now similarly we'll find out the S10 को भी थोड़ा solve simplify कर लेते हैं. So it will be 10 upon 2, that is equal to 5, so 5 into 4 plus 9d, so S10 will be equal to 5 into 4 will be 20 and plus 9 into 5 will be 45d. ठीक है, so now we'll put the value of this is equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3 हम ले लेते हैं. Now what we have to do, we have to put the value by putting the value of 1, equation 1 and 2 in equation 2 and 3 in equation 1. Okay, so what we'll get, we get this is S phi is equal to S10. So phi S phi is equal to S10. Now S phi का value we'll write here, phi into 10 plus 10d and will be equal to S10, that is 20 plus 45d. ठीक है. Now we'll solve this. 50 plus 50d, okay, and that will be equal to 20 plus 45d. Okay, so 50d minus 45d will be equal to 20 minus 50. It means phi d will be equal to minus 30. So d will be equal to minus 6. तो हमें d का वैल्यू मिल गया. Now what we have to find out in this question, we have to find out we have to show that 20th term is minus 112. So we have to find out 20th term, मतलब a 20, it will be a plus n minus 1d. So a is the what is the first term? First term is 2. Okay, so we'll write here 2, n is 20, so n minus 1 will be 19 and d. So 2 plus 19 into minus 6, and 19 6 are 114. So we'll write 2 plus minus 114 and this will be equal to minus 112. यही हमें prove करना था. So we got the value. Okay, this was question number 3. Now we'll do the next question. We'll move to the next question, that is question number 4. What is the question? How many terms of the AP minus 6 minus 11 upon 2 minus 5 are needed to find the sum Sn is equal to minus 25? How many terms are needed? So we have to find out n. Okay, so Sn is given. And can we see the difference? D is equal to minus 11 upon 2 minus 6. So what we'll get? We'll get minus 11 upon 2 plus 6, we'll get 1 upon 2. 6, okay, 6 and minus 11 upon 2 मतलब 5.5, we'll get 1 upon 2. So D का value is 1 upon 2. Okay, and A also we are having A is minus 6. A is there, D is there, Sn is given. Can we find out the value of n? Yes. So Sn will be equal to, we don't know the nth term, so that's why we'll use this formula, n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay. So now Sn is given by 25 minus 25. So n upon 2, n is unknown, upon 2 and 2a का value will be 2 into minus 6 plus n minus 1 and d का value is 1 upon 2. Okay, 1 upon 2. So this will be equal to n upon 2 multiplied by 2 into minus 6 plus n upon 2 multiplied by n minus 1 into 1 upon 2. ठीक है. So minus 25 will be equal to minus 6n plus n square minus n upon 4. ठीक है. तो 4 will take here, so minus 25 multiplied by 4 will be equal to minus 24n. Why 24n? Because 6 will write here 4, ये भी हमें 4 लेना पड़ेगा ना. So we'll multiply by 4 and divide by 4. We'll get 24 minus 24n upon 4. Then we'll take common and we'll multiply 4 this side. Minus 25 में multiply करेंगे. So this side will get. अच्छा, if you want I'll step by step में लिख देती हूँ पूरा. So minus 25 will be equal to minus 24n upon 4 plus n square minus n upon 4. ऐसे लिखेंगे. Now we'll take common. So we can we write minus 24n plus n square minus n upon 4. Now we'll take this is 25 actually. Now we'll take this side 4. So minus 25 multiplied by 4 will be equal to minus 24n plus n square minus n. So minus 24n minus n will be minus 25n. So it will be minus 100 is equal to minus 25n plus n square. 100 को इस साइड लेकर आएंगे. So what will happen? It will be n square minus 25n plus 100 is equal to 0. So can we write 25n को हम लिख सकते हैं 20n minus 5n minus 20n minus 5n. Okay, so then we can write n, we can take common n minus 20 minus 5 common लिया n minus 20. Now it will be 0. Now n minus 5 into n minus 20 is equal to 0. So either n will be equal to 5 or n will be equal to 20. Okay, so n के two values होंगे. It means हमें what we have to find out in this question, we have to find out कि minus the sum should be minus 25. Minus 25 के लिए how many terms should are required? So either we'll take 5 terms लेंगे तो भी we'll get the sum minus 25, और अगर 20 terms लेंगे then also we'll get the sum of n terms minus 25. Okay. Now we'll move to the next question, question number 5. And the question is, in an AP, if pth term, okay, so pth term will write as AP as 1 upon q, and qth term, matlab AQ is equal to 1 upon P. And what we have to prove? We have to prove that the sum of what we have to prove? Sum of first PQ terms is equal to 1 upon 2 PQ plus 1. This one. We have to prove this. Okay. Chalo, first of all, what we'll do? AP is equal to 1 upon Q. So AP can be written A plus P minus 1 into D is equal to 1 upon Q. And this one AQ is equal to, A plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to 1 upon P. Okay, this equation 1 लेते हैं, इसको equation 2 लेते हैं. Now हम क्या करेंगे? We'll subtract. Okay, this is 1, अच्छा PQ plus 1 के term में है ना. Okay, anything we can subtract 1 and minus 2 करते हैं. Equation 1 minus equation 2 we get, क्या मिलेगा हमें? See, A plus P minus 1 into D minus A plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to 1 upon Q minus 1 upon P. ठीक है? So we'll write here bracket के बाहर A plus P minus 1 into D minus A minus Q minus 1 into D is equal to 1 upon Q minus 1 upon P. Now A cancel, P minus 1 minus Q minus plus 1 will be equal, multiplied by D will be equal to P minus Q upon PQ. Okay. Now ये 1 cancel, so what we are getting? P minus Q into D is equal to P minus Q upon PQ. Okay, so ये cancel कर देंगे. So what value we are getting? We are getting D is equal to 1 upon PQ. ठीक है. Now D is equal to 1 upon PQ मिला. Now ये equation, any equation, this equation or equation 1 or equation 2, any equation will take and will put the value of d, then we'll get the value of a. Okay, a plus p minus 1d is equal to 1 upon q. अब d का value हम put करेंगे, so what value will be getting? a plus p minus 1 into d, and d का value will write here 1 upon pq. 1 upon pq is equal to 1 upon q. Now it means a will be equal to 1 upon q minus p minus 1 upon pq. ठीक है, so 1 upon q we can take common. So what we are getting? We are getting 1 minus p minus 1 upon p. Okay, so it means a will be equal to 1 upon q and p, this will be p minus p upon p. Okay, so a will be equal to 1 upon q multiplied by, ये p होगा माइनस p, ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे तो माइनस माइनस प्लस 1 होगा एंड अपॉन p. So ये कैंसिल, so what value will be getting? a will be equal to 1 upon q multiplied by 1 upon p. It means a will be equal to 1 upon pq. So what value we got? d is equal to 1 upon pq and a is equal to 1 upon pq. ठीक है, now what value we have to find out? हमें find out करना है s, sum of first pq terms. Okay, तो s pq हमें find out करना है. So s pq is equal to, see s n का वैल्यू क्या होता है? What is the value of s n? n is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. ठीक है, अब n का वैल्यू we know, that is pq. s pq will be equal to pq upon 2. Now a का वैल्यू we know, a का वैल्यू is 1 upon pq, तो 2 into 1 upon pq plus n is pq minus 1. Okay, and d is equal to again 1 upon pq. Now we have to solve this. So pq upon 2 multiplied by 2 upon pq, okay, plus pq upon 2 multiplied by pq minus 1, this is pq minus 1 and divided by pq. ठीक है, तो this is pq upon 2 into 2 upon pq we have written here, तो ये 2 to cancel, अब pq भी cancel, and pq upon 2 multiplied by this term, ये पूरा का पूरा term, so this will be pq upon 2 and pq minus 1 upon pq. ये cancel, pq cancel, so what value we will be getting? It means SPQ, the first PQ terms, or the sum of first PQ terms will be equal to, this is 1 plus PQ minus 1 upon 2. Okay, it means what? 2 plus PQ minus 1 upon 2, and this will be equal to SPQ, QP or PQ, whatever we can write anything. So that will be 2 minus 1, that will be 1. So PQ plus 1 upon 2. And what we have to find out? हमें find out क्या करना है? The question is PQ plus 1, we have to find out this one. 1 upon 2 PQ plus 1. Okay, we can write 1 upon 2 common लेंगे, it will be PQ plus 1. Hence LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay, this was question number 5. Okay, I hope you understood all the sums. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.